We are 2 hours away from home, and I had to pull over somewhere and rip off the catalytic converter slash exhaust manifold and unclog this catalytic converter. So you can see it's pretty clogged up in there, so I'm just hammering it, trying to remove as much as I can, put it back together so we can have enough power to bring it home, because we picked it up from where we bought it, jumped on the freeway. I couldn't go past 40 miles an hour, so this is what we're dealing with right now. All right, Bernard. So I'm trying to remove as much as I can. I'm gonna replace the catalytic converter anyway, so this is just to get us home. A little bit more in there. Also had a P0420 code, and when you drive it, almost feels like transmission is not going. I mean, it is shifting fine, but it's just no power. So it's pulled over in the middle of nowhere, and we're trying to do all this work. We've been here for about a couple hours now. So I'm gonna clear this up, put it back together, drive it, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the catalytic converter back on. So I cleared everything out from there. Make sure that this is clean as well. Some carbon buildup there. We'll go ahead and, yeah, this is just one of those emergency things that I had to do. I don't even have the tools to remove the O2 sensor, so I just left it there. Left that O2 sensor right there. Go ahead and install this right now. Gaskets in here. Fun stuff. Good thing I have all my tools with me, because we didn't want to pay $300 to ship this car back home. Alright, so I put the catalytic converter back on. I gotta lower it down and take it for a test drive now. We still have like 2 hours to drive home. I'm hungry, I'm tired. This is why I always carry my tools. I know my tools are kind of, you know, everywhere, but hopefully this will be enough to get us home, because I couldn't even go past 40 miles an hour on the freeway. Alright, so let me go take it for a test drive.
Just kidding, I was acting.
Alright, we're heading home now. So you can see, going above 40, 50 miles an hour. The car is driving fantastic now. It's not bogging down, or, you know, the catalytic converter is not clogged up anymore. So I have full power. So now we can drive it home. Can't believe I just did that on the spot. Yeah, let's get this bad boy home, get it cleaned up, get it ready for sale. Well, I still got to replace the catalytic converter, but at least we can take it home now. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, just click the subscribe button for more. I will be doing more videos like this one, just kind of like my day-to-day, you know, car things that I'm doing and going through. Click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.